What's up, my crypto friends? Justin here, and welcome to a new video. Today's video is all about Ethereum and why all will always choose Ethereum over Bitcoin. Appropriate to this, I have here a current news to this thematic. The first news is all about the Ethereum wallet activity, which has surpasses Bitcoin for the first time according to the Cryptometrics platform sentiment. So for the first time in history of digital assets, Ethereum has briefly outpaced Bitcoin in terms of user activity. This news, among two other things, that the Ethereum Oris took a positive development in recent days. It shows that the Ethereum community is growing day by day. What do you think? Will Ethereum overtake Bitcoin one day? Leave me a comment. As you can see on our chart, the sentiment is rising and overtake Bitcoin. Roughly 651,560 wallets were involved in various activities on the Ethereum blockchain yesterday versus Bitcoin's 597,280. But you must also note that it's difficult to say how many users were actually involved, because there is almost no limit to the number of addresses a single user or entity can have. The statistics are meaningless in this aspect. That's why, according to Glassnode, for example, the Ethereum network saw 683,021 active addresses yesterday. They also added Bitcoin, on the other hand, is currently trading about $35,900, up 4% on the day. In terms of weekly gains, Ethereum plus 14.8% and Bitcoin plus 13.3% are roughly equal, with the former slightly outperforming the latter, which shows me a better performing of Ethereum in different aspects compared to Bitcoin. Here, another news from Ethereum. According to Bitcoin Bureau, which has a YouTube channel with over 1 million subscribers, says in his new video that Ethereum could surge above $20,000 on bank of this emerging crypto sector. And I'm totally with him. I found the following statement very appropriate, and I think it is important to share this with you as well. He said in his video that, unsurprisingly, the banks have been performing pretty poorly over the past decade. From the US banks to those of China, Japan, and Europe, an abysmal performance from once a towering industry. Just try to picture that this is the sector that caused the 2008 financial crash. They have owned the craft of privatizing gains and socializing losses. However, despite this, they have still been unable to capture any value for their shareholders. And that's what most often the crypto fans and myself think. Arthur Hayes, the former chief executive of the derivatives exchange BitMEX, explained that DeFi can readily imitate savings accounts, checking accounts, and trust services, according to the author. He does point out, though, that while DeFi can provide loans, the industry is massively over-collateralized, which means that banks, despite their flaws, tend to do a better job with lending. According to Hayes' calculations, if the Ethereum ecosystem could grab just 0.5% of traditional finance revenue, ETH would be worth more than $20,000. Taking 5% of traditional finance's revenue would raise it to $200,000 in a year. We will see in the future how Ethereum and the digital market will influence life, but the bank system we have today will be completely revolutionized by the digital market and abolished. Please note, this is not financial advice. What do you think about Ethereum and this thematic? Write me your opinion in the comments. That's it for today. As always, wish you a successful day, and we will see us in the next video. Peace.